Hello, guaranteed shortest video that's going to come your way on this train business. I got done with my train and I'm feeling groovy, but I'm seeing all these little flags that represent all the joints, all the assembly constraints that we put in. And I don't like that. It bugs me and I wanted to get rid of them. So a little bit of YouTube research, I found out how to do it. And it is a little counterintuitive. I thought maybe I'd go into the preferences and switch it there or be able to click here and somehow turn them off. But it's actually over in the browser. So the browser has a whole bunch of things. It's got all your components listed. It's got construction. Those are your planes. It's got sketches. You can look at all these sketches over again. But then right above that is one called joints. And here's all the joints that we made. If you right click on joints here, you can just say show hide, which is V. So you could just hotkey it V. There they're back. Now they're off. Now they're on. Now they're off. Now they're on. Now they're off. And so you'll be able to hide all those so you can get your screenshots for your portfolio without all those doofy looking little flags in there. Okay.